Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next reactions of SN mechanism called as the SN1 reaction mechanism. Yesterday we finished the mechanism of SN2 reaction and with its silent features. Today we discuss here the second type of SN mechanism. It is called as the SN1 reaction mechanism. This question asked in examination 3 marks, very important question, exam point of view. Okay, so how to write the mechanism of SN1 reaction we discuss here. Question 3 marks के लिए आगे बेटा. What is explain the mechanism of SN1 reaction or SN2 reaction. और second question आ सकता है explain the silent feature of SN2 reaction or SN1 reaction. But yesterday we finished here the SN2 reaction, its mechanism as well as its silent feature. Today we discuss here the SN1 mechanism or SN1 reaction mechanism. First of all, what is SN1? SN1 means what here? This one indicate unimolecular and indicate nucleophilic and S indicate substitution reaction. That's what is called as unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. What indicate what unimolecular means? Mono. Uni means mono or single. It means in this reaction only one reactant or substrate take part in the rate of reaction, or its molecularity also unimolecular. Why it is molecularity is unimolecular? Because what is a molecularity? Molecularity means the how many actual molecule take part in the chemical reaction. So it is called as molecularity. In this reaction only one substrate or chemical or a reactant take part in the chemical reaction. That's what is called as a unimolecular reaction. Its molecularity is what? Unimolecular. But yesterday we finished SN2 reaction. SN2 means to indicate bimolecular. In this reaction, in SN2 reaction, the two molecules take part. That's why its molecularity is bimolecular. Clear? And the SN2 reaction is second order reaction, but SN1 reaction is first order reaction. Why? Because orders depend upon the concentration of reactant. In the SN2 reaction, two reactant substrate take part. It's a concentration. That's why it's called a second order reaction. But this chemically, in this SN1 reaction, only one molecule or one reactant take part. It's a concentration. That's why it is called as first order reaction. SN2 is a second order reaction. SN1 is a first order reaction. SN2 is a bimolecular reaction. Why? Because two molecule. Two SN2 means two molecule. Whereas SN1 is the unimolecular reaction. Clear? ओके अगर आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखना है तो आपको अलग अलग पॉइंट टू पॉइंट इसका आंसर लिखना होगा. जैसे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछेगा? एक्सप्लेन द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ SN1 रिएक्शन, और सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा? एक्सप्लेन द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ अल्कलाइड हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ टर्शियरी. दिस इंडिकेट TRT मींस शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड. क्लियर है? एक्सप्लेन द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड. इट मींस the substrate or reactant are used what here? Tertiary butyl bromide in a SN1 reaction. Whereas in a SN2 reaction, which reactant substrate are used? It is called as the what? Methyl bromide or methanol. Clear? Okay. Now, if we write the mechanism of the SN1 reaction, we write the answer in point to point. जैसे हमने सिंपल SN2 में लिखा था point to point ABCD फॉर्म में. सेम थिंग है. फर्स्ट वी टेक द A पॉइंट. जैसे मैंने SN2 में लिखाया था, आपको फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या था? रिएक्शंस. Here also same the reactions. कुछ क्वेश्चन जो है बट आपको समझने पड़ते हैं, उसके आंसर जो है तो पॉइंट टू पॉइंट लिखना पड़ता है, तभी आपको अच्छे से मार्क्स मिलते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ फर्स्ट वी टेक द रिएक्शंस. क्लियर? सो व्हेन द टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड, इट इज अ फॉर्मूला कॉल्ड एज टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड. व्हेन द टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड इज हाइड्रोलाइज्ड विथ sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, or we take only the OH. OH come from the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Clear? So when the tertiary butyl bromide is hydrolyzed with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, or we take the OH, it form the tertiary butyl alcohol. It means the Br atom is replaced by which group here? The Br atom is replaced by which group here? OH. So what we get? We get the tertiary butyl alcohol. It means we replace or substitute here the what? Br by OH to form the tertiary butyl alcohol. It's a chemical reaction of SN1 reaction. Okay, clear? Now we take the second point, chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics what here? Chemical kinetics means it defined as the speed of reaction or rate of reaction and how many actual concentration of reactant take part. So in the what SN1 reaction, only one reactant take part or its a concentration take part in the chemical reaction. It means the tertiary butyl bromide, it's only the molecule which take part in the chemical reaction, but OH is what? Constant. That's why rate of reaction depend only one reactant called as tertiary butyl bromide. So if you write the chemical kinetic or rate of reaction, we take the formula rate directly proportional to tertiary butyl bromide, or if you change the rate this symbol by K, so rate equal to K what here? Tertiary butyl bromide. This CH3 by 3 means what here? This 1 2 3 we also write as, अगर बेटा इसको सिंपल फॉर्मूला लिखना है आपको, तो हाउ मेनी CH3 है? 1 2 3, so CH3 by 3. Clear? This C is same and the B are also same. Clear है? Okay, these two both molecules are same, only we change the what here? Structural formula, it's what again the closed formula. ठीक है? Okay, so rate is depend only one reactant concentration. Why? Because OH is constant. क्लियर है? SN2 रिएक्शन में दोनों भी रिएक्टेंट एक पार्ट कर रहे हैं, इसलिए कौन सी रिएक्शन थी? सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन थी और SN2 व्हाट? बायोमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन थी, लेकिन ये रिएक्शन में एक ही मॉलिक्यूल एक पार्ट कर रहा है, उस मॉलिक्यूल का नेम क्या है? टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड, बट OH इज कांस्टेंट. सो only we write the chemical kinetics of tertiary butyl bromide, does not of OH. Why? Because OH is constant. Clear? Okay, next one here, third C, mechanism can be written as. Now how to reaction will be carry on. What is the mechanism of SN1 reaction? Which bond are break in the reactant and which bond is newly formed in the product? So we take here. Okay, mechanism is the step by step description of how to transfer the reactant into product and which reactant bond is break and which newly bond is formed is called as the mechanism. Clear? इस SN2 में पढ़ा हमने, सेम SN1 में, लेकिन SN2 रिएक्शन जो थी बेटा वो वन स्टेप रिएक्शन थी. The SN2 reaction is one step, whereas SN1 reaction is two step mechanism. How many step? Two step mechanism. We take the here the what mechanism? The SN1 reaction is two step mechanism. Yes. How many step mechanism? Two step mechanism. In the first step first, the formation of carbocation take place. It means in the SN1 mechanism reaction, the first step to form the carbocation or carbonium ion. What is carbocation or carbonium ion? Define the carbocation mass के लिए आ सकता है या carbonium ion. So any species of carbon or any carbon atom which contain a plus called as positive charge. Any carbon species which have the plus charge called as a carbocation. Carbon means carbon, cation called as which charge? Plus charge called as carbocation. So next step first, formation of carbocation take place and partially break of what here? CBr bond. CBr bond. This CBr bond. How what is happen? So the first step is slow step. Step first is slow step, and the step is slow. So it is determine the RDS, rate determining step. जो रिएक्शन शुरू होती है उस पर ही रिएक्शन का रेट होता है. रेट मीन्स RDS, rate determining step. ठीक है. Now then in this reaction the partial break of Br. So carbon have the plus charge and Br have the minus charge. Why? Because carbon is plus charge. Why? Because carbon which contain a less electron, which was charge is plus, whereas Br contain minus. Why? Because it's an electronegative atom. So this word partially means incomplete break of bond called as we take the partial charge. Incomplete break of bond we take a which charge? Plus partial charge. So here in the first step formation of carbocation take place and breaking of partially C single bond Br bond. So to form the TS first. But TS means any two atom is contain partial charge. It means carbon contain plus charge and Br contain minus charge called as TS first. Because in the SN1 reaction two step mechanism, that's why two TS is formed. TS called as transition state. whereas SN2 reaction is the only one step and it form only one TS. ये भी याद रखना है आपको, क्वेश्चन ऐसे बन सकते हैं, डिफरेंस बिटवीन SN1 SN2 रिएक्शन, तो ये पॉइंट आपको याद रखने हैं, ठीक है. ओके, सो इन दिस स्टेप फर्स्ट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकेटायन, दिस CH3 विल बी टेक एज इट इज. तो यहाँ पे बेटा सेम टू सेम दिया हमने, ओनली वी ब्रेक द व्हाट हियर, C सिंगल बॉन्ड Br partially break, so we get TH first called condensate first, and now this Br remove, so what we get carbon plus charge, or any species which contain plus charge called as what here, so this atom is called as what here, carbocation. What here, carbocation, and Br is lost. In a step first, breaking of CBr bond and to prepare a carbocation is step first. Clear? Now step second. In the step second, attack of nucleophile. What is nucleophile? The OH negative are act as nucleophile. जहाँ से CBr bond ब्रेक हुआ, जहाँ Br जो है तो लिविंग ग्रुप है वो रिमूव हो गया, उसकी जगह पे उसकी जो मतलब क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, पोजीशन पर क्या लगाते हैं, OH called as nucleophile. So step second is called as, the name is called attack of nucleophile OH nucleophile. How the OH attached on the carbon atom or carbocation? So it is two category. It means the OH attached to both front side as well as back side. But if the OH, इसे SN2 पढ़ा है मैंने आपको, front side back side पढ़ा है आपको मैंने, the back side is also called as inversion configuration. It means if the OH, this nucleophile attached to back side of carbon opposite to Br living group, so it is called as inversion configuration. But if the OH means nucleophile attached to front side, it is called as retention configuration. It is called as retention configuration. Clear? So here two different we can see the sequence here. देखो यहाँ पर बेटा, the OH attached to the carbocation in attack of nucleophile, it means the OH is a nucleophile, short form NU. NU is called as what here, nucleophile attached to carbocation. What we get TH second. It means partially attached of OH. It also have the which charge, minus charge, partial minus charge. Here what here, partial plus charge. Clear? TH second. Okay. Now the OH bond is formed. It means OH, here the condition in SN1 reaction, there are two conditions. The nucleophile attached to both front side and as well as back side. क्लियर? अभी देखो बेटा CH3 एसिड देखने में आती है, ठीक है. अब इसको क्या किया हमने, यही ग्रुप को जो है थोड़ा चेंज किया. चेंज कैसे किया, देखो ये जो प्रोडक्ट सेम लिखा हमने, देखो अब देखो OH जो है, OH को हमने कहाँ पे ऐड किया, फ्रंट साइड पे. If the OH attached to front side, it is called as the retention configuration. One मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन आएगा, define the retention configuration. So the nucleophile attached to front side called as retention configuration. In SN2 reaction, there is a two condition that which the attack of nucleophile take place. Nucleophile called as OH negative ion. So OH attached to back side, front side, called as retention configuration. And same here, the OH attached to the what here, back side. Here back side, here front side. So if the OH nucleophile attached to back side, called as a inversion configuration. It means in a SN1 reaction, the OH attached to back side called as the 50% inversion configuration, whereas the OH attached to front side, OH is what indicate here, OH nucleophile. So the OH attached to front side is called as the what, 50% what, retention configuration. So in a SN1 reaction, the nucleophile attack both side, front side as well as back side, whereas SN2 reaction only the back side attack of nucleophile. It means in the SN1 reaction 100%, in the SN2 reaction 100% back side attack of nucleophile take place, result to formation of 100% inversion configuration or Weldon inversion configuration, whereas in a SN1 reaction there is a two category or two condition that we the OH nucleophile attached to carbocation. It means the 50% retention, that is called as the OH attached to front side 50% to form the retention configuration, whereas OH means nucleophile attached to back side to form the 50% inversion configuration, and this 50% inversion and 50% retention to form the racemization. वो टॉपिक हम लोग कल देखेंगे, ठीक है. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द व्हाट हियर द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ SN1 रिएक्शन. अब क्वेश्चन ऐसा आएगा आपको बेटा, एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन व्हाट SN1 और SN2 रिएक्शन. तो ये क्लियर कर लो दिमाग में क्या हो सकता है. SN2 रिएक्शन हाउ मेनी स्टेप मैकेनिज्म, वन स्टेप मैकेनिज्म था. SN1 रिएक्शन हाउ मेनी स्टेप है, टू स्टेप मैकेनिज्म है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया. सेकंड, द SN2 रिएक्शन बायोमोलिकुलर सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन था, वेयर एज SN1 कौन सी रिएक्शन है, यूनिमोलिकुलर और फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन है. क्लियर है. थर्ड मेन टॉपिक जो है SN1 रिएक्शन. इन SN1 रिएक्शन देयर इज अ 2 TS फॉर्म. TS मींस ट्रांजिशन स्टेट, वेयर एज इन अ SN2 रिएक्शन ओनली 1 TS इज फॉर्म. क्लियर. पॉइंट नंबर नेक्स्ट, in a SN1 reaction carbocation is formed, whereas an SN2 reaction does not form the carbocation. Clear. और last point, important point, in the SN2 reaction the 100% inversion configuration or Weldon inversion configuration take place. Why? Because the 100% the OH attached to the back side of the what living group, so that's why it's called as 100% inversion configuration. Whereas in a SN1 reaction there is a two condition, that's why 50% inversion, 50% what here retention configuration. It means the nucleophile OH attached to front side 50% and back side 50%. It is called as what here, the 50% retention means OH attached to front side here, here the OH attached to back side called as 50% retention, the inversion configuration. Clear. So it's all about the what here, mechanism of SN1 reaction and its different types of topic. क्लियर है. क्वेश्चन देखो समझो बेटा, सिंपल क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. डिफाइन द TS, डिफाइन द RDS, डिफाइन द बैक साइड अटैक, डिफाइन द फ्रंट साइड अटैक, और डिफाइन द रिटेंशन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, डिफाइन द इन्वर्शन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, डिफाइन द वेल्डन इन्वर्शन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. जो भी क्वेश्चन आता है तो ये जो टॉपिक है SN1 SN2 मैकेनिज्म को अच्छे से पढ़ो आप, और पढ़ने के बाद क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. इजी क्वेश्चन है और 3 मार्क्स के लिए अगर ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, एक्सप्लेन द SN1 मैकेनिज्म और SN2 रिएक्शन. जो भी प्रॉब्लम है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन जब भी आप नोट्स प्रिपेयर करेंगे तो बुक में नोट्स कुछ अलग दी हुई है, आपको इस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करनी है, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट ABCD, चाहे वो SN2 रिएक्शन क्वेश्चन हो या SN1 का रिएक्शन. SN1 रिएक्शन भी हो या SN2 रिएक्शन हो, आपको इस तरीके से एग्जाम में भी आंसर लिखना है और आपकी नोटबुक में ये आंसर लिखना है, क्योंकि ये इजीली इसमें मार्क्स मिलते हैं. ठीक है. ओके. आपको ये पॉइंट जो राइट डाउन करने हैं ABCD फॉर्म में, SN2 में भी और SN1 रिएक्शन में. और क्लियर आपको भी याद रखना है कौन से रिएक्शन में कितने स्टेप मैकेनिज्म है, कौन से रिएक्शन में रिटेंशन हो रहा है, कौन से स्टेप में व्हाट हियर इन्वर्शन हो रहा है. इन्हें बैक साइड अटैक, फ्रंट साइड अटैक आपको याद रखना है. ओके. क्लियर. थैंक यू सो मच.